Good evening. I am Apurva Vinayak Kamath from final year B Farm, studying in Vijay Rao Naik College of Pharmacy. Have participated in online allocation competition based on Touch DNA revolutionizing evidentiary DNA forensic. Talking about Touch DNA, it is a modern technique which is widely employed in criminal justice in developed countries. Man, information and technology has changed our living lifestyle and helped us to move or grant the technique and help in going to a modernized state of mind. Coming directly to the point of Touch DNA, it is getting the information of genetics from biological substances in which our skin sheds the outermost layer of the cell. When we come in direct contact with an object, the layers of the skin cells are shed and they are touched to the object, and this makes us easy in finding the criminals. But this is not easy, or it is not very much easy as we think, because these cells are not recognized by our naked eyes. It requires a highly recovery, highly extraction method like subsequent analyzing, interpretation of technique, interpretation of genetic studies and many more. This is all what a Touch DNA technique involves. We should be thankful to a Touch DNA technique because in an ancient time or the traditional method of DNA sampling requires the blood samples, saliva, hairs, but sometimes it was not available, or during the criminal cases these were not getting only. So the finding the criminal was really crucial or difficult. But nowadays it has made us easy, because the criminal cannot do the crime before leaving or before touching any of the object. So when the criminal will touch any of the object, surely he will leave his skin cells on the object. So it is easy and recognizable method in finding the criminals. I will like to say that this method is used also in forensic science. Every action has its equal reaction. Similarly, this will have its pros and cons. Talking about the pros, it is very fast method, it is efficient, and also this method is highly specific. Specific means whenever we get a small sample of DNA also, we can find the whole or the complete profile of the information. And most important, this technique is highly versatile. Every outcome has its limitations. Similarly, this technique will also have limitations of its own. Talking about the limitation, if this technique is not performed in a proper manner or not taken care of the proper manner of the technique, this can give the false results, and the interpretation can be the false person can be arrested in the crime. This you should avoid the contamination. Sample destruction can cause, and once the sample is destroyed, the another sample finding is highly difficult. To conclude, I will like to say that this is the method which will leave the footprints in the heart of every person, because this method is highly efficient in finding the criminals. So, while performing this test or technique, you should take care that this technique is performed in a proper manner, or taken care that it is performed in very properly, so that you can do or achieve your goals. To conclude, I will like to say, last but not the least, very important, I will like to thank the scientists who have invented the Touch DNA technique, because if it was not invented, we will not get the information about this. It was invented in 1997. And I will also like to thank the organizers who have arranged this online allocation competition to spread the awareness about the Touch DNA, because sincerely talking, I was only not aware of this topic. So my heartiest thank you to all the organizers who have allotted and given us chance to talk about this topic. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.